What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Is it too late to buy Jasmcoin? That's the question I was asked recently. Is it too late to buy this position? I mean, I understand if people were asking me when it was at 6 cents, maybe. But then you're like, is it too late? And I'm like, I would wait for a pullback. And that's kind of what I've said in the past. I would wait for a little bit of a pullback, even if you see it, get to 10 cents. But when you see that pullback, you know that that's kind of you're going to see some recovery after that, right? That's kind of what I've learned from investing. Anytime that I would see a pullback off of a large breakout, that's where I can expect to see growth. However, there's times where you can see a slight pullback and it doesn't pull back far enough. Maybe 25% is what you were looking for. It pulls back to like 20%, and then you don't end up getting into the position. Then maybe you end up chasing it and you feel like it's too late. But to ask me this now, if Jasmcoin is a good investment where it stands, I'll just say this. Where the price of Jasmcoin is, my cost basis is higher than where the current price is. Meaning that I'm holding Jasmcoin at a higher price than where it stands. So you tell me, do you think it's a good time? Before we get into this detail, guys, if you can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you check out my link for BTCC, I would greatly appreciate it. This is a great platform that I've been using for almost 2 years at this point. They offer a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link, extra bonuses up to $10,055. You can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade up to a 250x leverage. Even though I made a mistake recently and traded at a 20x leverage when I wanted to trade at a 5x leverage, that was my mistake. So make sure that you are double checking what your leverage is that you go into. And if you wanted to trade at a 5x, make sure it's 5x leverage. If you wanted to trade at a 1x leverage or a 2x leverage, make sure it's a 2x leverage. So definitely double check and know what you guys are doing and know what risks you are getting into. But you can trade all the way up to a 250x leverage if you want to. This is all with no VPN and no KYC that's required. And also, if you guys want to test out leverage trading, you can utilize BTC as a demo platform as well. They have a demo trading area where you can take 100,000 fake dollars and invest into the real market and see if you would be profitable if you would make these investments. Just a warning though, if you make a lot of money from one of those investments, know that it is not real. I've had somebody that made $300,000 off of their $100,000 that they initially invested, and that's because they invested with $100,000. You have to understand the difference between you investing with 100 versus $100,000. But anyways, and the freedom of knowing that it's not your money. But check out my link down below for BTCC if you guys are interested. Let's go ahead and talk about Jasmcoin. First, let's understand the price of where Jasmcoin stands. Jasmcoin is at 0.004932, or as I like to say, 49% of a penny. It is slightly up on the day in the last 24 hours, being up by almost 0.5%. It is sitting at a $243 million market cap with $12 million worth of volume and a 5% volume to market cap ratio. It does have 50 billion max coins in supply, but 49.44 billion are in circulation, so you do not have to worry about any type of dilution. Now, again, this whole video was created because of questions that I receive in comment sections or in chats where they're like, is it too late to buy into Jasmcoin? And my response with that was, let me look at my entire portfolio and break that down. And I'm like, it's not too late to invest into crypto. So looking at Jasmcoin as one of the cryptocurrencies that I have, if you just take my portfolio into account, do I believe that it's too late? No, because if I believed that it was too late, then me holding at a higher price would make no sense at all, right? I currently hold Jasmcoin at a 54% of a penny level. I used to hold it at a 40% of a penny level, but I added more Jasmcoin as we went along. I now have 3 million Jasmcoin, which is at a cost basis of 54% of a penny. It currently sits at a 49% of a penny level. So that being said, the price is lower than where I bought at. So Are you too late? No, you're not too late. There's a lot of room left. There's a lot of life left, and I'm still holding. Even if it gets up to 5 cents again, I'm still holding what I have, right? So just know that. But as we move forward and we understand, kind of where Jasmy Coin will explore, where it will land, it's increasing in holders. We have almost 100,000 holders. You have almost 250,000 watch lists, 250,000 watch lists that it's on, over 252,000 followers. 252,000 followers for CoinMarketCap. So it has popularity. It has a use. It has the conversation. It has things that are happening for it. It has people on the internet that are talking about it. People in real life that are talking about it and believing in it. Jasmy Coin will be worth a lot more than where it stands. This, in my opinion, is an opportunity to buy Jasmy Coin. I think the last opportunity to buy Jasmy Coin at low prices, because when we truly see altcoin season that has happened and altcoins end up exploding and end up getting some consistency, I don't think we will see Jasmy Coin back at these levels ever again. You will have people that are making money at lows, whatever those lows are, but the lows will now be in the solid sense, 10 cents of a low versus 40% of a penny of a low or 50% of a penny of a low. So again, are you too late? No, you're not too late to invest in a Jasmy Coin. It still has a ton going for it. So I did want to just show you guys, just to let you know that I'm not, kind of BSing you. Hopefully I can get in my assets without having to log back in. It is making me log back in. So I'm not going to be able to show you that there, but know that I do have 3 million Jasmy Coin at a cost basis of 54% of a penny instead of the 49 or 40% of a penny where I stood before. So I want to know what you guys think, right? Again, if we look at the entire market or we look at my entire portfolio, we're at lows across the board. So even if you're thinking of maybe buying other positions and you're asking the same thing, am I too late to get into cryptocurrency? No. XRP was at a higher price. Jasmy Coin, Solana, Cardano, BTC, Ethereum, everything, virtually everything in the market, you're not too late to invest in a cryptocurrency. So if you have more of a broader question rather than just Jasmy Coin, is it too late? It is not too late. You are at the right time to invest in a Jasmy Coin, because there's a lot of things in my portfolio that are red and I'm still seeing the success above where my cost basis is, which the price is lower than my cost basis. I just have to keep reiterating that because it should be, you should be able to notice this right from the start. You shouldn't have to ask that question. I'm not saying it's a stupid question. It's a good question. But as you look at my portfolio and you see that I have Jasmy Coin at a higher price, and it currently sits at a lower price, it's not too late. You are not too late. There's a lot of room left on the table. If it gets to 5 cents and 6 cents, maybe a little bit of a different story where you're too late because you saw a massive, massive increase to the position. So that means you're chasing it. Yeah, it's too late to chase that at that moment, wait for a retracement and then get back into it. But overall prices, you're not too late to get into Jasmy Coin. This is a great opportunity and a great level. If I had enough money, I would even buy more, because then I would lower my cost basis again. Would love to hold 4, 5 million, 10 million. Yeah, would love it. Guys, let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below, and you can check out my link for BTCC if you guys are interested. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.